Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cook with Ron. Today's episode, we have a really quick one. It's a Caesar salad. So, not cooking actually, but we're just prepping it. But it's real quick. We have just some cut up romaine. It's like 1.5, 1 1/3 heads of romaine. And it looks like a lot, but it's actually pretty easy. We have two different kinds of Parmesan cheeses. We have the grated stuff, then we have the shredded stuff. We have croutons, obviously, you need the croutons. Pepper, garlic powder, two types of dressing. My wife likes the Whole Foods dressing. I like the Ken's Steakhouse dressing. Both are creamy Caesar. Both taste really good. If you were to choose one or the other, go with the Ken's. And then we have lemon juice. Okay, I don't have the fresh stuff, but if you have it fresh on you, great. If not, that'll do too. So just real quick, I'll do it and show you how it's done. Okay guys, it's super fast. Okay, we're gonna go real time. So we got our grated Parmesan. Okay. Shredded parm. Garlic powder. I'd say about half teaspoon, if that. Black pepper. Again, quarter teaspoon. Quarter to a half teaspoon. We have the Whole Foods dressing. Probably about half a tablespoon. Ken's, another half a tablespoon. Lemon juice, almost out, but I'd say about a good teaspoon and a half of lemon juice. And then of course, just handful of croutons. Half a handful. A couple more on that. That's it. Now you give that a light toss. Now you could go heavier on the dressing. We don't like it too super heavy. I kind of like it heavy, but my wife likes it a little on the thinner side. So I toss it and then I separate for myself and add some more. So if you like it heavy on the dressing, go ahead and by all means do it. And just give that a quick toss. As you can see, this is like a little bit on the dry side, but just make sure everything gets nicely coated with all the seasoning and all the dressing. Obviously, if your lettuce is very dry, it's gonna look a little, it's gonna coat. It looks a little drier, but once you put more salad dressing, it's gonna look a little shinier. It looks a little dull right now, but it's still gonna taste good. And that's it, everything's nicely coated. It's ready to serve at this point. Like I said, it's super fast, super easy, very tasty, semi-healthy. I don't put so much dressing in there. And it's a salad at the end of the day. It's supposed to be simple and fast. So hope you liked it. Please, again, for any comments, questions, whatever, just, please comment below and like and subscribe if you like the content, and we'll be posting more stuff soon. Thanks.